Moshi Monster fans, today I got more super seeds, and today I got Zomber with a blue dragon fruit, Furby with a moon orchid, red moon orchid, and Lovely with a yellow star blossom. This is the front and this is the back. Inside the fruit, there is a Moshling. Now I'm going to start with Lovely. Okay. Here's Lovely, blue with a green stem coming out, and little white wings with pink shoes and big eyelashes, and a big grin. Oh, and this is the back. Now to the flower. Here's the star blossom, yellow. Before I had pink star blossom. Now let's see who's inside. You press the top flower. 3, 2, 1. It is Penny! Green Penny! But I already have him. Never mind. At least it's a special one. It's an ultra rare. Yeah. Okay, I got out. Here's Penny. Now it's Furby's turn. Move to the side. Okay, and Furby. Here's Furby, and I think you can move the arms. Yeah, you can move the arms a little bit. And they've got white fluffy fur and a big grin with one tooth and big feet. And it looks like to me Bigfoot. Now his flower, it is the moon orchid. That is red. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay. Okay, here's some orchid. Orchid. Moon orchid, and inside is, oh, Penny again! I got 3 pennies now. At least now I could trade for Moshlings I don't have. Now it's Zombie, the last Moshling that is a zombie with one eye and a girl arm. Okay, now Zombie. Here is Zomer with a peace sign, and you can also move his head and his other girl arm. We also have one eye, a big smiley face that he's drooling a little bit, and they stitch a shirt on him. Also he got blue spiky hair and big ears. Now is Holland, the dragon fruit that is blue. And also swivers like before. Now let's see who's inside. It's Yellow Kissy! A new one that is not Penny like these two. Yay! I haven't got this Yellow Kissy, and it looks cool. Okay, here's Yellow Kissy. We got everything's yellow except for the eyes and the mouth, which is red, and they got a little bow and diaper. It is also a baby ghost. That's what it says in my book. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this Super Seed video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!